mũthaki George Japolo Ooro nĩ gatagatĩ-inĩ ka athaki 12 a timu ya rugby arĩa marĩtwa mao marĩkĩtie kũrekererio nĩ coach Kevin Wambua gũtungata hĩtahĩtano-inĩ cia Olympics. George nĩ atarĩirie rũgendo rwake na itanya rĩake rĩa gũthakĩra kĩrabu kĩmwe kĩa rugby gĩa bũrũri wa Argentina.
In life, lazima uweke room for disappointment everywhere. So from high school, nilikuja trials. Nilijituma tu from huko Ocha. I've never been to Nairobi. So nikajituma, I was told you are so tiny. So I had to go. But actually, before that, nilikuwa nimebond with some good guys from the team because I'd never been to any club. That was my first club, meeting the first ever guys playing Kenya Cup. So nilijel nawe kanibamba. I was told you're not good enough. I went, then COVID came. I went, trained hard, came back. I went to KCA. Then one day I was just coming to Strasbourg to train. Then I was told, actually you are good. You've grown, you're so big. Ebu kuja tukupatia scholarship. Na singe deny because I had bonded with those guys. Sikuwa nimebond na mtu mwingine apart from Strathmore players. First ever debut against Ireland, I was given the second half, full second half. Na nikaogopa, but I'm like, umeingia utafanya, huwezi kimbia. Just do the basics, pass, follow. So from that, being given more time, more playing time, when I get to learn, experience inakuja, you know how to attack, how to defend. Honestly, I really want Argentina. I think I've trained enough. I want to link up with Gonzalez. Yeah.